Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the Zedge app from your Play Store. Go to the Play Store, tap on the Play Store, go to search and then search for Zedge. Once you find it, tap on the Zedge app and click install. Wait for a while as Zedge will download and install in your Android device shortly. Zedge offers you multiple uploads, multiple wallpapers, notification sounds, and ringtones, so you should go ahead and install Zedge on your phone. After you accept and continue and allow the notifications, you can now use Zedge. Press on continue if you want to buy the Zedge app premium, and now you can download new wallpapers and set ringtones. So this is how you download Zedge in your Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.